How to make money with YouTube. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can start making money and you don't even need a lot of subscribers, and I'm gonna give you one simple trick where you could start making money with YouTube. So guys, let's get started. So guys, as I told you that you don't even need a lot of subscribers. Currently right now I'll give you my example. I have less than 300 subscribers, but still I'm making money. The way I'm doing it is very simple. I just recently uploaded a video on how to make a website, and on the description I just left a affiliate link about hosting. So people who bought that hosting from my account, I got a little commission out of that. So it's very simple and I made money. So even you could do it, even anyone could do it. All you need is a phone and just record your video. That's it. You could do a lot of things. You could just do a product review where you are just showcasing a product and leave an affiliate link down below for that product, and if someone buys it, you'll get a commission out of it. Not even me, a lot of people on YouTube are doing the same thing and making a lot of money. If you check any tech channel or any product review channel, they have a link in the description and they get a commission out of it if someone buys it. So guys, it's very simple. Even if you know something, anything about, let's say you know about cooking, post a video about how you cook food and leave a affiliate link down below about the things you used in the video. That's it guys, and you can start making money. So guys, as you could see over here, this is a DIY channel, which means do your own thing, and it has a lot of variety. You could do nail art, you could do makeup, and these videos, one good thing about these videos are you don't have to speak in these videos. So if you're really shy, you could just make these videos. The second one is tech reviews. As you could see over here, he's doing a lot of tech reviews and product reviews, and he's adding an affiliate link. So someone wants to check, let's say for example, this Galaxy Buds, and if he wants to buy it, he can just click on this link and this guy would get some affiliate commission out of it. Let's see another channel, food recipe, this one. So if I see over here, read more, she must be having some affiliate link as well. As you could see over here, pre-order a cookbook now. So she's selling some product over here, and full recipes over here. So she's earning with ads on her website as well. Let's check another channel. Let's say to play any sports. You could just post a video about it, explaining about it, and I'm sure if I click on it, he might be selling some affiliate link or some program over here. So as you could see on his website, he has coaching, so he is making money out of it as well. And then again, if you have more than 1000 subscribers, you could start getting monetized by YouTube, so you can start making more money. So now let's check one more channel. Okay, so if you like reading books, for sure she must be having an affiliate link as well. She does book reviews. So as you could see over here, check out friend page, see, use code Hannah. So again, this is affiliate. If someone does a subscription on this app or this website, she would get some commission out of it. So as you could see, there are a lot of options. And even for example, if your website gets only 1000 views, okay, and we take 1% conversion rate, which is really bad as per industry standard, 100 people are buying it, okay, and imagine for just 100 you're getting $5 into 5, which is around $500, which means a lot in any currency. So guys, it's very simple. All you have to do is take your phone out and start recording it. That's it. And if you feel really shy to come in front of the camera, you could do such kind of videos where you could just do your DIY or comedy or makeup or nail art, or just show yourself cooking. So that's it. Just think about it. From that 1000 views, you get 1% conversion rate, which is really bad as per industry standards, and like 10 people would buy it, and from that 10 people you'll get money. So it's these small things which add up, and in the beginning you could start making money without even running advertisements. Once you get more followers, you get more subscribers, let's say 1000 subscribers, then in YouTube you could start monetizing your videos and start getting revenue. But that's in the future. But currently, when you're just starting new, you could do this thing, and there are a lot of things. You could just do book reviews, leave an affiliate link for Amazon, and then you can get the commission. It's very simple. And just before I end this video, I'm going to give you some YouTube statistics. Currently right now YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, so a lot of people are on YouTube. Almost around 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube per day, which is a lot, and YouTube gets around 30 million visitors per day. And also to let you know, if you promote your product, always 50% higher conversion rate as compared when you do it on our website. So YouTube is the way to go. If you would like to know more about YouTube and how to start making money on YouTube, let me know in comments. I can come up with more videos about it. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.